Now every year, as happens when it's time to put this baby in, it's a 1960 27-foot Chris Craft Constellation. Comes a time I got to take a look at the wood and maybe do a little reconditioning before it's time to actually get it in. So I came along and started looking for a couple of problem spots already. I got my scraper out, I did some digging, and then you kind of push it in to see if anything's rotted. Now we're a little bit soft right there, but it seems we're okay back here. Now if you come over other parts of the boat, I've already gotten a good jump on this, and the big key is to make sure that you get all the stuff that wants to flake out of there. You don't want to leave anything that's going to cause you problems when you're done. And most importantly is over here by the water line. See, we've got some rot here, it looks like, and a little bit here that I've been digging out. Same kind of thing. You want to make sure you can find it all. Doesn't mean you necessarily want to get rid of it. You want to make sure you can find it. Okay, there we go. Now I'm finding some. Okay, now give her the old test. She's a little soft right there too. So I'm going to do a little more scraping. I think I'm going to get it done as far as I need to, and then we'll get on to the next step. And the next step is applying what's called Git Rot, so that we can harden up some of this softened wood.